If you're a fitness trainer, hairstylist, baker, or really anyone running a service-based hustle, then this video's for you. Because let's face it, today's customers are searching online first. And if your business isn't showing up where they're looking, you're missing out. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to turn your offline hustle into a credible, thriving online brand, starting with one simple but powerful move. Stick around and I'll show you. But before that, I'm Cece. This is Inside Your Hustle. Now let's get into it. If you're running a local business, then you already know how powerful word of mouth is. But these days, people are searching online first. And if your business isn't popping up, you're leaving money on the table. For example, a fitness trainer working with private clients in their area can make anywhere from $500 to $3,000 a month. Add a website with booking info and testimonials, that number can grow fast. Same goes for hairstylists. Many charge $60 to $150 per session locally. And a simple website can help them stay fully booked weeks in advance. Even home bakers doing custom cakes and desserts can bring in $1,000 to $2,000 a month, especially with an online gallery that shows off their best work. Now, Kelsey Wells has built a truly impressive online fitness brand. She earns around $400,000 per year from her online training programs and subscription plans. So if you're ready to turn your side hustle into something bigger, consider grabbing a domain that makes it official. A .online domain is a clean, simple way to say, yep, I'm open for business. It's super flexible and makes it easy to find when people search for services in your area. I'll drop a link in the description so you can get your .online domain for just 99 cents. Trust me, something that small can make a big difference in how you show up and get paid. So we are on the .online domain website. From accounting to Zumba, there's a .online domain for every business. Yes, there is. I'm going to show you how to make this website today. We're going to start with this fitness website, ironbloom.online, okay? It is available for $24.99. Okay, you have to renew it for $24.99. But today, because you know me, you're not, look, they even show you other names you can use. I'm going to have that discount ready for you, okay? So we're not going to be paying $24.99 for Iron Bloom, a fitness website. No. Okay, so I have a coupon, IYH. Boom, there you go, 99 cents. You hear me? I just saved you some serious money. Pretty much, I saved you $24, right? So now you can place your order. This is how you're going to create this website. You first are going to have a domain name. So go to .online and get that domain name first. And then once you have that name and it's available, then we're going to create the website. Now we're going to sign up and we're going to put the email in and we're going to put in a password. Look how you sign up. Your name, the company's name, Iron Bloom, email, address, city, zip, country, state, a password that you can remember, and then confirm the password, phone number, and then you're on your way, okay? What will you design today? Now, I'm over here on Canva, okay? Now, you can do this with Canva. You're going to build a website. Let's look up templates and look for fitness templates, all right? We're going to look for the correct template for us, all right? So it depends on what kind of website you're building. That's what you punch in on Canva. We're doing fitness, and here we go. I love the colors. Of course I love them. Look what I'm wearing, okay? All right. So now we're going to create our website. So I'm going to change out some of the pictures. I'm showing you what you could do as a fitness influencer, a personal trainer. You're building a brand, right? So we're going to change. Look, Iron Bloom. I changed that logo and put the logo Iron Bloom on. We changed out some of the pictures. Look at that. You even can install even videos. You can have videos, testimonials. And look, there's your logo again. And this is how we do it, okay? Look how it looks on mobile. This is from a template on Canva. Look how professional it looks. This is fabulous. And this is how you promote what you're doing. Fitness right now is real big. All these influencers, you have Ashton Hall, you have Brandon Carter. Come on now. You have all these fitness influencers out here. You need to make a website. Okay, now bring your own domain name. You can only do this with Canva if you have Canva Pro. You enter your domain name, okay, and then you can connect it in 1 minute. So we put in iambloom.online. Okay, so now I'm connecting this my template and my website I just created with Canva to .online. Okay, so now look at this. This domain doesn't look. There we go. We got to put that in. Connect domain manually. You have to connect it. Okay, review the steps. You see right there. Update your DNS records, the domain provider. I show how to do that. If you check out this video right here, I show you how to connect it properly. And it's 1, 2, 3. It's like 2 minutes, okay? And you can connect the domain name, okay? Because you have a domain name. You connect it together with the provider, and now you have. If you don't do that, and they try to put in iambloom, you're not going to see your website. Okay, so you could create the prettiest template in the world, but if you don't connect it, there'll be no website. Okay, so you have to connect it with .online. You connect those together. I just showed you. I'm going to show you how to connect a template from Canva to .online, and you will have a fabulous website. So check out my video on how to do that. I'm going to leave it in the description down below, step by step, and I also have it up here. Okay, so come on now, let's get this. Okay, so now we're on the website .online, okay, domain. Let's get a new domain name, okay? From accountant to Zumba, we're gonna make this work, okay? I'm gonna show you how to create a website again, and we're going to put it on .online. I'm gonna show you this, all right? I came up with this one, all right? CoutureCupcakes.online. You hear me? And it's available for $24.99. Look at all other names they came up with. These cupcakes are going to be delicious with high-end ingredients, okay? Now, for privacy protection, that would be an extra $5, but we're not doing that. I think it's like $5.99, but we're not doing that right now. We're going to show you for $24.99. I'm going to give you a discount. IYH, please put that in. Boom, 99 cents. 99 cents. You better put IYH in, okay? Why would you do this without my discount? Duh, okay? Now, come on. Let's do it. We got to put in the name, the email, your company name, Couture Cupcakes, okay? And put all that information in, your email and a password, all right? And we're going to get started. Now we're going to have our website, and we're going to design it on Canva. I'm going to show you how to do this, okay? So now I'm doing bakery, so we have to do something with baked goods, okay? It's a baking business, so I put that in, and I found this template. Now I'm changing out. Those look good, but I'm changing it out, okay? So now we're going to make this our own. We're going to customize it to our colors. And remember I said high-end? So let's see how we can make it very expensive looking, but yet save that discount. We're going to make it very affordable for everyone, right? Look at the difference. Look at the colors. Look at the pastels. That looks so delicious, those cupcakes. Okay, so, and I have a new logo. Okay, look at this. Oven fresh pastries to make you smile. It's making me hungry, actually. All new pictures. I updated that template. I made it my own. Okay, look at this. For that baker that you know that always wanted their website, or that person that can cook, put your products on the website. Advertise, promote. Look at the logo. Couture Cupcakes. This is very easy and simple to make. Look how it looks on the mobile, on the phone. Look at this. And I did colors like pastry, like real pastels, and make it like really like, Yummy, right? I'm telling you, this is how you do it. Of course, you'll put your picture in. I'm just trying to show you how to create a website with Canva. Okay, remember, we really want that Canva Pro. Okay, now we see what it says site address. Put in the name. Put in the name. You have to put it in. Bring your own domain. Okay, so you can only do that, like I said, with a Canva Pro. All right, so we put it in. Couture cupcakes. All right, so you're going to connect that. This is how you connect it. Make sure it's all lowercase, please. Lowercase, cupcakes.online. Because now we already have our domain name from .online. All right, so now you're going to connect the domain manually and review these steps. Okay, if you have any questions, I told you I made one from 1 to 100, every step in between. Okay, so all that information is there from A to Z. All right, so I'll show you how to connect everything. So go to your domain provider's website and you have to copy some information over. Once you do that, it is connected. Once it's connected, you won't have any problems. I can guarantee it. If you have problems, hit me up or leave a comment down below. I'm telling you, it is so easy. You can connect from Canva, your template that you created, that website, to .online in like less than 5 minutes. It is very simple. I even did a video on how to do it. Please watch that video, okay? So I'm telling you, if you have a business, you're a fitness instructor, if you are a baker, you're a chef, anything like that, and you want to showcase your skills, what you can do, what you can make. If you're a barber and you want to showcase your haircuts or your styles, if you're a hairstylist, you want to showcase what you can do, have a website so you can have people go to it and say, oh, this is what I want. This is how I want it. And I'm telling you, it makes a difference. It really can change your income drastically, a website. And then also take it a step further and get some business cards. Okay, and also promote your website on social media. It's very simple to do, but you have to take the first step with a domain name, right? With .online. 99 cents, people. Ready to take your hustle to the next level? Grab your .online domain today for just 99 cents. And at www.get.online using my exclusive link and code in the description. Don't wait. Secure a name that actually works for your business and makes it easy to be found online. Let's get your brand out there the smart way. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you could turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you'll try hustling with .online. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.